Well, what was meant to be a historic Lionel Messi moment in India has ended in chaos. Fans inside the stadium are furious, alleging massive mismanagement. Messi has already left the venue after disorder broke out in the stands. He is now headed to Hyderabad. Important to understand that several fans say that they could not get a proper glimpse of the football icon. Well, anger spilled over as barricades were breached and bottles were thrown on the ground. Security quickly cordoned off Messi, cutting short his planned stadium lap. While fans on the ground are calling the event an absolute disgrace. Some have even termed it as a scam, saying their expectations were completely shattered. Of course, fresh visuals coming in. Remember that the right side of the screen depicts to you fresh visuals coming straight from the Salt Lake Stadium. Important to understand that chaos was in fact what was erupted in the stadium, as of course fans started throwing bottles at even the event organizers. Remember that fans are not happy with the fact that many of them could not catch a glimpse of the football icon Lionel Messi, who is present in India at the moment. Remember that Lionel Messi is in India as part of his 3-city GOAT tour. He will be visiting Hyderabad next. Remember that these are his visuals from Kolkata. He was not even able to take the entire lap of the stadium when the chaos erupted. Remember, it's important to understand is that Messi was forced to leave the stadium within 20 minutes. Meanwhile, my colleague Ritik Mondal has been tracking the story from inside the stadium for us. Take a look at what he has.
Let me show you what is exactly happening inside the Yuva Bharati Stadium. As you can see that the spectators have burst out, the entire barricades, and they have entered the stadium. Soon after Messi was taken out, we can see the spectators over here. Radha, कहाँ से आए?
हम लोग आया न्यू टाउन कल रायगढ़।
क्या हालत है? मेसी को देख पाए थे?
नहीं।
क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? कौन जिम्मेवार है?
हम लोग 4000-5000 ड्रीम मॉल के यही देखने आए। हम लोग बोलिए यही देखने आया है। आज कलकत्ता का हालत देखिए क्या हो रहा है, किस लिए हो रहा है? मेसी को नहीं देखा जाए बोली अगर मेसी को देखता तो ये हालत नहीं होता।
We can see that people are throwing bottles. There are spectators and
কলকাতার লোক ভদ্র, মেসি চলে যাওয়ার প্রতিবাদ করেছে।
What is the reason you are angry for?
এটা চূড়ান্ত অবস্থা, এটা স্ক্যাম হয়েছে, स्कैम।
जिम्मेवार है इसके लिए?
जो कमेटी है
जिम्मेदार है, ठीक है। वो लोग
मैनेजमेंट जिम्मेदार है।
स्कैम किया
पूरा महीना का सैलरी देके इधर आया आदमी ने, उसका बाल भी नहीं देख पाया मेसी का। नेता
पैसे देके टिकट खरीदे थे
5000 रुपया का।
5000 रुपए का। कहाँ से आए?
दमदम से आए। 5000।
These are the situation, but we can see that they are angry.
बच्चा लेके आए हैं।
Well, we can see that the absolute chaos and law and order situation deteriorated inside the stadium. We can see that RAF has been brought in. RAF has been called in. Commissioner of Police has arrived over here. We can see Mukesh Kumar, Commissioner of Police has been brought in as the entire, people, they have barged the barricades and they, came inside the stadium. Let me tell you what exactly happened, how it's unfolded. Soon, Messi came in into this thing, and then they are throwing this thing. They are throwing bottles at police. They are throwing things to police. This is absolutely lawlessness situation inside Yuva Bharati Stadium. Police has brought in. This is Ritik for NDTV. Chaos at Yuva Bharati Stadium due to the mismanagement. The Lionel Messi had to, taken out of the Yuva Bharati Stadium. Now I can show you that the total vandalism it went on. Now that the spectators have gathered over here, they are barging the barricades and they are entering the stadium. They even throw, several bottles. The situation went out of hand as people gathered over here. They, totally gathered and surrounded Messi, and now we can see that people, large section of spectators, they have gathered over here, and now they are went on ruckusing and vandalizing the entire thing.